They're going down, like, listen my way, like, I talk, walk, like, listen my hey. I take through, like, I came for you. I came for a sword to understand truth. Like I reach on out, I control the fucking mind. I know what's going on, take a minute, alright. Just slow it down, like, take it first. Like, slow it down, understand one of the words. You're fortunate, you like a fortune of mine. Like you're inside, like to spell the fucking time. The potion that you drank, like the one that you got. You're given, like, yeah, no, you got, like it's still here. Like standing in sea, like a mad Vamm, like look fucking me. I like you, I don't, I do, what I don't, I do like whatever to you heart. I could fucking go the wrong freaking way around. I could stop, switch like the minus way now. I don't see like the one that for me. It's with God the walkers like that on my side, you see. The right, keep the doors like the path of time. I spent years like trying to perfect the mind. For the ones to understand, to play, to frickin' see. The mark stand like that, empty fantasy. Like yo, yahoo, like who the fucking hell? If fans so clear, do you see what I tell? So the walls are frickin' going like clear from me. The pole is gonna be like the art always say. In out, like it's fan frickin' see. In out, like watch out you see. Yeah, feel the candles. Yeah, feel the burns. Yeah, feel the scenes like it takes cares. Mock it, like mock the fucking heart. Let's mock the start again. You see the heart. You see the art, how I pour out to you. I give each chapter like what is the truth? Each tale, each poem, each lyric, each rhyme, each word I give to you so you understand the freaking mind. Do you see as a right to complete day? Each day is different like on off you see, but yo. It's a fantasy, man, just watch out, like, just watch me, man. The children just say, like, nothing for me. This fan walking, joking, like, what you see? We're all backwards, we're backwards, the crew, like, they're not for me, Aaron, brand that woo. The clap and chant, like, I swear the frickin' time we're coming soon, brother. You understand, I'm frickin' wrong, yeah. It's insane, and fucking insane like the words that say hey. Yeah, you hurt me, but hurts some Dom. Like a minute's a verse like to understand right. Fortune ones, and subtle ones. My son, the same me like sound the fucking says the growth say like, do you understand me? I'm back and ready, bro, I'm ready to go like, look, clap, yo. Just see, take a freaking heart, take the mind and try to light and see from the start.
Y está el pelotudo que se cree que es un genio. Se manda mis cagadas, uno tiene que andar detrás siempre en ese culo. Bueno, de esa clase de pelotudo no tengo uno, sino dos. Después, mi colega de la 18, que todavía no sé si es un pelotudo, un puta, o una combinación de más cosas.